What's up guys? Welcome to Saymahu TV. For a week now ay sinubukan kong maghanap ng wireless microphone na pwedeng alternative sa Rode Wireless Go na alam naman natin ay expensive. Nasa 12,500 up to 16,000 pa nga siya sa Lazada at Shopee. At nakakita nga ako ng wireless microphone na halos 5 times much cheaper sa Rode Wireless Go. At ito yung Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone. So, ano pa ang inaantay natin guys? I-like nyo na yung video. Let's go at i-unbox na natin to. Okay guys, pag-usapan na natin itong Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone. Sa unboxing, nakita nyo ang mga kasama sa loob ng box ay itong micro USB charging cable, itong wired lavalier microphone, at dalawang patch cable na pang-connect sa receiver going to DSLR camera, action camera, or smartphone. And of course, yung unit ng transmitter at receiver. Both of the transmitter and the receiver is made of plastic. Square shape ang itsura niya with rounded edges. And the design is simple, easy to use, and very portable. This ultra-compact wireless microphone requires no professional knowledge at all, and it takes only seconds to set up. I-on mo lang yung power button, at pag nag-blink yung dalawang LED lights, intayin mo lang mag-stable at automatic paired na sila dahil itong transmitter at receiver comes paired straight out of the box. The system is comprised of the transmitter and receiver combo that operates in a license-free 2.4 GHz spectrum, meaning you don't have to worry about your frequency allocations anywhere in the world. the effective range according to the specifications is up to 50 meters line of sight. Both transmitter and receiver have built-in batteries that gives the user up to 5 hours of battery life. This can be charged with the included micro USB cable by plugging it in both on transmitter and receiver. All this means, of course, hindi mo na kailangang bumili at magdala ng battery para bitbitin kasama ng mga gear mo habang nagsushoot ka at hindi ka na mag-aalala na magpalit ng battery kung sakaling malobat yung microphone mo. This gives you more time to focus on the content that you are shooting. One of the things that makes the Andoer Mx5 truly wireless is the inclusion of a built-in omnidirectional lavalier microphone in the transmitter itself. This saves you a lot of time in managing cables, and it's super easy and quick to set up. All you have to do is clip it on your clothing and you can be up in recording straight away. If you are recording on a windy environment, there's also an option to use the transmitter as a traditional belt pack lavalier setup. On the transmitter unit, we can see the 3.5mm input appropriate for connecting standard wired lavalier microphone. Then, you have a nice little clip here to clip on your belt. This clip is perfectly designed not only to mount onto bags or clothing, but it also mounts onto the cold shoe mount of your DSLR camera, mobile rigs, or action camera base cage. As an example, we can mount this receiver onto the cold shoe mount of this action camera base cage. To mount, you simply have to open up the clip of the receiver and slide it in on the cold shoe mount for a really nice and sturdy connection. From here, ay gagamitin natin yung patch cable included dito sa Andoer Mx5, and since action camera ang example natin dito, ang gagamitin natin cable ay yung dalawa ang guhit on both ends. Pagka smartphone ang gagamitin nyo, etong isang kable ang gagamitin nyo, yung may tatlong guhit going to smartphone, and then yung dalawang guhit going sa receiver. And since action camera nga ang example natin, etong dalawang guhit ang gagamitin natin on both ends. We simply connect this to the receiver port, and then we connect the receiver output in the audio input of the action camera. And then we simply power on the transmitter and the receiver by pressing on the power button like this one. Once the blue LED is on steady, it means that the receiver and the transmitter is automatically paired. So now we move to the sound quality check of the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone. My current setup right now is I'm using the Boya microphone, and this is the sound quality using the Boya microphone. And I will be connecting this transmitter and receiver to this setup. So, puputulin ko lang to sandali at isi-setup ko. So now I have removed this Boya microphone, and I'm currently using the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone. And this is the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5. Let me know your thoughts about the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5 by commenting down below. Right now, I am using the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone with the wired lavalier microphone connected. And this is the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone with the lavalier connected. Let me know your thoughts by commenting down below about the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5. So we are now done with the testing of the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5 indoor. Now we are going to try to test the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone outdoor and see if, according to the specification, the effective range of this wireless microphone is up to 50 meters. So Let's go!
Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa UP campus para i-testing natin yung sound quality nitong Andoer Mx5. So according to specifications, yung range niya is up to 50 meters with the direct line of sight. Actually, suot ko na siya ngayon. Yung audio na naririnig nyo is nanggagaling dito sa wireless microphone na to. So test na natin siya. Okay. This is the sound quality at 10 meters of this wireless microphone. This is the sound quality of this wireless microphone at 20 meters. This is the sound quality of this wireless microphone at 30 meters. This is the sound quality of this wireless microphone at 40 meters. This is the sound quality of this wireless microphone at 50 meters. So according sa specs, 50 meters ang range niya with the direct line of sight. So pag walang obstruction, this wireless microphone's range should be up to 50 meters. Kung natin mas lumayo pa sa 50 meters, this is the sound quality of this wireless microphone at 60 meters. So, habang lumalakad ako papunta ron, dire-diretso lang ako magsasalita. Testingin natin kung mapuputol. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So ayun, umabot siya up to 50 meters at umabot din siya sa 60 meters with the built-in microphone nung wireless microphone na to.
So ayun na nga guys, after testing the sound quality of the Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone outdoor, we verified that it can reach 50 meters with the direct line of sight. Umabot pa nga siya ng up to 60 meters. Kaya lang, nagpuputol-putol na siya kapag may mga obstruction na between the receiver and the transmitter. So, para sa akin, acceptable siya for its price, but let me know your opinion by commenting down below. Para sa mga naghahanap ng best alternative sa Rode Wireless Go, I highly recommend this Andoer Mx5 wireless microphone. Para sa akin, best buy siya. So there you have it guys. I hope nagustuhan at nakatulong sa inyo ang video ito. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga upcoming videos ko. Again, this is Robert. See you in the next one.
Say what you wanna say.